Want to attract blessings, protection, and abundance into your life? Creating a personal altar for prayer is a powerful way to connect with divine energy. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to setting up your sacred space and how it can transform your life. Before setting up your altar, cleanse the space by burning sage or Palo Santo. This removes negative energy and creates a high-vibration environment for your prayers to be heard. Find a small table or a dedicated corner in your home. Cover it with a white cloth, symbolizing purity and new beginnings. Gather meaningful spiritual items that will amplify your prayers. Write down your intentions or requests on a white piece of paper. For faster manifestation, write the same request on a bay leaf, a known spiritual amplifier. If asking for financial blessings, draw dollar signs on the paper and bay leaf. You can ask for up to 3 things, but it's best to focus on the most urgent need. Use a 7-day candle for long-lasting spiritual energy. Write the same request on a new bay leaf each day and burn it with cinnamon powder and honey. These ingredients sweeten the universe to favor you. When the 7-day candle is nearly finished, burn the original paper petition and release your request into the universe. Hold the candle up to the universe. Call upon the power of the universe and your guardian angel for guidance. Place the candle on the altar and fill a glass with water, raising it to the universe as a symbol of clarity and purification. Find an image of your guardian angel, lift it up, and ask for divine protection and support in your specific situation. Position your own photo behind the angel's image, symbolizing divine guidance leading your path. Place a photo of a deceased loved one on the altar for ancestral blessings. Add a fresh, multicolored flower for positive energy and a lily plant in front of the altar for spiritual growth. Include a $1 bill, a saucer of rice, coins, and cinnamon sticks, all symbols of prosperity, stability, and continuous blessings. Every morning and before bed, sit in front of your altar. Meditate, visualize your request already answered, and express gratitude. On the 7th day, drink a little of the altar water, then pour the rest over yourself for spiritual cleansing and renewal. Remember, faith, patience, and gratitude are key. Your altar is not just a place of prayer, it's a powerful spiritual tool to manifest your desires. Follow and like Alta Essence Awareness for more spiritual guidance and powerful manifestation techniques.